Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have discovered my new favorite accessory for being cozy in my bed.
Meet the TabCouchCaddy. This thing is absolutely incredible. It has 7 cup/mug holders, 3 side or top pockets for storage, and it is so convenient. It has a great removable machine washable cover, and all of the plastic coaster pieces are removable, so it makes washing so easy. I also love that it has this anti-slip lining, so you have great stability. We love to have snacks in bed, and this thing is so perfect for holding our cups and our remotes so we don't lose them. I think this thing is made so well. I love how it's adjustable in all of these different ways, so you can even use it as a tablet stand, which is awesome. If you want to sit down and work at the table, you can still use this thing, and it's great for using on the couch as well. I really think it's such a unique product, and I really think it would make an amazing gift for someone as a housewarming present. It really is just one of a kind.
So, whether you love to hang out on your couch or get cozy in your bed and have all of your snacks and accessories with you, this thing is absolutely perfect. I couldn't recommend it more highly, and that's my point of view.